Hello, this is Jordan from Nexus Property Management Fall River, and we are looking at 117 Pleasant Street, Unit 3 in New Bedford, Massachusetts. This is a third floor, 3-bedroom apartment located in downtown New Bedford. This unit has panel floors throughout, as well as a large space heater for heating the unit. Here we are in the main dining kitchen room area. We have the gas stove, stainless steel sink, some overhead cabinet space, along with a little storage closet off to the left. Spinning around, we'll see the fridge right next to the first bedroom. Plenty of light in this bedroom. The bedrooms for this unit are quite small, so I will keep in mind that large furnishings will probably not fit in this unit. Coming around into the bathroom, we do have a tub and shower. It's a cozy and quaint little bathroom. Moving back out, we'll head down to the second bedroom. Again, nice panel floors. A nice dark wood trim at the bottom. Coming out around, this would be your Pollard living room area. This unit is cable and internet ready. Moving forward, we have the last bedroom here. And this one has a small shelf in the corner, as you can see here next to the window. This unit is managed by Nexus Property Management, where you have benefits such as key copying services, the ability to make payments online and request maintenance calls, and also a 24-hour hotline number for all your rental needs. Again, this is 117 Pleasant Street, Unit 3 in New Bedford, Massachusetts.